Sprout Social HubSpot integration. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Sprout Social into your HubSpot. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to log into your HubSpot, and here you can see this is the main dashboard. Now you're going to go into your settings, and in there you will find this integrations option. In the integrations option, what you need to do is you need to click on this connected apps. And in here, you're going to basically visit the marketplace for the app because I don't have any integrated apps right now. I'm just going to click on this one. Once you have reached the marketplace, what you're going to do is you're just going to search for Sprout. And here you can see I have two options. I have Sprout Social and Sprout Video. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to click on the Sprout Social. And here you can see this is the integration that you can install. You can just click on this option, install app, and the app is going to install itself into your HubSpot. So Sprout basically allows you to integrate all of your social media onto your HubSpot so that you don't have to go through the hassle of, collaborating everything manually. You just collaborate all of your Twitter, your social media platforms into one place on your HubSpot with just this integration. So after it is done, what you can do is you can just HubSpot service integration. You can see connecting your HubSpot and everything. You can just log into your Sprout Social Help Center and you'll be able to gather all the data, all your integrations, your Twitter and everything into one place, and it will be all into your HubSpot in a very easy manner. So you can just see they have also given you all the things to get started with Sprout Social. It's nothing difficult. So you can basically go on to Sprout and you can integrate and you can connect all of your social media platforms into one place, and then you can integrate them into your HubSpot with this specific integration. So it is that easy. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any query, just comment it down and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care and bye bye.